Meaning of hokey-pokey.
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 Hokey-pokey. Hokey-pokey is a term that refers to a dance and also a frozen treat. The dance involves participants moving in a circle while performing various actions, such as shaking their hands or feet. The frozen treat, which is also known as the hokey-pokey ice cream, typically consists of vanilla ice cream mixed with small pieces of honeycomb toffee. When eaten, it provides a crunchy texture and sweet, creamy flavor. The origins of the term are uncertain, but it is believed to have originated in the United Kingdom in the 19th century.